Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about 6th standard GK. Now let us see chapter 8 Fantastic Fabrics. Every region of India boasts of uniquely woven, dyed or embroidery fabrics. Now see the fill in the blanks to complete the sentence. The first question is Andhra Pradesh is famous for the art of fabric painting called dash. The fabric is painted using vegetable dyes, wooden designs, blocks, and a bamboo pen. The correct answer is kalamkari. The answer is kalamkari. Question number 2. The dash silk is the golden fiber of Assam known for its durable nature. The dash silk is the golden fiber of Assam known for its durable nature. The correct answer is Muga. Question number 3. The dash or tie and dye textile of Gujarat sports bright colors interspersed with white dots. The answer is Bandhani. Question number 4. The town of Salavas in Rajasthan is known for its uniquely woven dash terries used as floor covering. The answer is Panja. Number 5. The dash silk of Meghalaya is the preferred fabric Pattachitra art. The answer is Eri. Number 6. The state of Odisha is well known for its rich dyeing and weaving technique called Ikat. Seventh question. The town of Varanasi is famous for its exotic silk and zari and dash saris. The answer is Banarasi. Question number 8. West Bengal is famous for its cotton dash saris. The answer is Tant. Final question. The dash silk saris from Tamil Nadu boast exquisite weave in borders that are laden with zari work. The answer is Kanjivaram. Now let us see the chapter 9 Common Disorder. The first disorder is gastroenteritis. It is cause inflammation of the stomach and small intestine leading to acute diarrhea. Now, the second disorder is cancer. This disease causes abnormal multiplication of cells in the affected body part. The cancer is a disease caused when the cells divided uncontrollably and spread into surrounding tissues. It is caused by the changes to DNA. Most cancer causing DNA changes occur in section of DNA called genes. These changes are also called genetic changes. The next disorder is bird flu. Primarily spread by birds, it can also occur in humans. The disease can be fatal. The answer is bird flu. The next disorder is rabies virus. It is transmitted by the bite of infected mammals, often dogs. So, the rabies transmission can occur through the saliva of animals and less commonly through contact with human saliva. Rabies Lisa virus, like many rabovirus, has an extremely wide host range. The next disorder is tuberculosis. It is a highly infectious disease that is caused by bacteria. It commonly affects the lungs. Next disorder is jaundice. An increase in the level of bilirubin in the blood gives rise to the disease, which is characterized by yellow discoloration of the skin. The yellowiness form accumulated bilirubin in the skin, often caused by liver and gallbladder disorders. The next disorder is typhoid fever. It is a bacterial infection characterized by high fever. It is caused by consumption of contaminated food or water. It is also known as simply as typhoid is a bacterial infection due to a specific type of Salmonella that causes symptoms. Symptoms may vary from mild to severe and usually begin 6 to 30 days after exposure. Often here, this is gradually onset on a highly fever over several days. The next disorder is chickenpox. This highly contagious viral infection is characterized by itchy blisters all over the body. The next disorder is dengue fever. This infectious disease is caused by the type of mosquito and severely affects various parts of the body. Is a mosquito-borne tropical disease caused by the dengue virus. Symptoms typically begin 3 to 14 days after infection. These may include a high fever, headache, vomiting, muscle and joint pains, and a characteristic skin rash. Recovery generally takes 2 to 7 days. The next disorder is diabetes. This condition occurs when the body's ability to produce the hormone insulin gets affected, leading to high levels of sugar in the blood. In these chapters, we are discussed about fantastic fabrics and common disorders. Thank you, students.